Hello everyone, I will show some examples in VB.NET. Here's the first example I will show is the accumulated value. Firstly, we need to create a new project and we use the console application. Name it as accumulated value. Firstly, we need to define some variables. We need to define the interest type and we use the str interest type to define it. And the str stands for the string, and VRM is the define. And then we need to define the interest rate. We use the DDL interest rate to represent the interest rate, which is a double format. And then we need to define the accumulated value using accumulated value DDL accumulated value, which is a double. And we use the DDL present value to represent the present value, which is a double. And also we need to have the year. So we use the DDL year to represent the year of the interest. And we use the year is the integer. And also we need to define a var answer to make it insert the input. And then we use the main function to call the accumulate value function. And then we define the function accumulated value to calculate accumulated value of the initial investment. Then we have the do loop. Use the var answer to memorize the input box, which is the interest rate. Until the var answer is a number. And then we use cddl to convert the var answer into the DDL double format, and to use the DDL interest rate to represent the interest rate. Then we do the same thing to the interest present then we do the same thing to the present value. So we use the do loop sentence and we use the input VAR answer to memorize the input box. And if the input box is not a number, then we need to input the input the present value again. And if it's and 2 is a number, and then we use the CDBL to convert the format into the double. And then we do the same thing to the year. But remember, the format of the year is the integer. So we use CINT to convert the VAR answer to the integer. And then we can calculate the SDR interest rate. But we still need to have the interest type. So we use S to stand for the simple, C to stand for the compound, and we input S or C. If the input is the S, what this function will convert the upper S to the lower S, so we don't need to worry about the case of it. And if it's a S, we'll use this function to calculate the accumulated value. If the input is C, we use this function to calculate accumulated value. If the input is not a C or S, then we need to show the message to the user using the message box and show the user that you have the wrong selection and exit the function and if. And then we can output the accumulated value and the accumulated value have 3 decimals. So we click the start to run the whole project. So enter the interest rate as the 0.1 and the present value is $100 and the period of time is 10 years. And we use the compound, so the accumulated value is 110.462. So that's all. Thank you.